On a sun-drenched afternoon, a young boy named Sam strolls along the sandy beach. His eyes catch the glimmer of a blue-green oddity amidst the pearls of the sand, a piece of sea glass. He scoops it up, and to his astonishment, there's a scroll inside. The message seems to be a call for help from a sailor, lost to the sea decades ago. Sam, fueled by his curiosity, embarks on a journey piecing together the clues from the message. Old folklore, sailor tales, and antiquated.
What if I told you could create an entire 3D animated story, characters, scenes, emotions, all in just 1 minute, using a single prompt and a single AI tool? Well, watch this. In this video, I'll show you how to create a beautiful 3D animated story instantly using Hypernatural.AI. Let's take a quick glance, then dive into the magic. All right, let's begin. Step 1. Open up ChatGPT and simply ask, "Can you give me some 3D animated story ideas?" In seconds, you'll have a list of fresh, fun, and unique concepts to kickstart your video. No stress, no blocks, just pure creative flow at your fingertips. Now, head over to Hypernatural.AI, your all-in-one storytelling tool. Click on Start with an Idea. In Step 1, you can either type your own story idea or grab one directly from ChatGPT. And if the suggested ideas don't excite you, no worries. Just hit Regenerate Ideas to get a brand new batch of creative concepts in seconds. You're always just a step away from your next amazing animated story. If you're satisfied with one of the suggested story ideas, simply click on that story, and you're all set to move forward. In Step 2, it's time to choose the perfect narrator for your story. You'll see a variety of voice options, each with its own unique style and emotion. Listen, explore, and pick the one that best matches your story's vibe. Once you've found the perfect voice, just click Continue to move ahead and bring your story to life. Step 3. Choose your video format. I'm going with the YouTube format for my upload. Step 4. It's time to choose your video style. You'll see lots of options, but for this one, I'm going with 3D animation. Just select the style you love and click Continue to move ahead. Step 5. Choose your caption style. There are plenty of unique options, and for my video, I'm going with the antique style. Pick the one that matches your story's vibe, then click Continue to move on. Step 6. Select Use Consistent Character for a smooth flow. Then click Generate Video, and your 3D story comes to life. And now it starts generating, turning your idea into visuals and assembling your video scene by scene. Just sit back and watch the magic happen. Your 3D animated story is ready. Review it, and if you spot any image you'd like to change, just replace it. All done using a single AI tool in just minutes. Enjoy your 1-minute masterpiece. To download your story, just click on Export. Wait a few seconds while it processes, and once it's ready, hit Download to save your 3D animated video. And now your 3D animated video is finally ready, all created using a single AI tool.
In a tranquil forest teeming with life, there lived a timid young boy named Eli. Unlike others, Eli possessed a rare ability. He could comprehend the language of the forest animals. He was their confidant, their friend, their voice. But their peaceful world was at risk. Men with machines and sinister intentions threatened their forest haven. Eli, taken aback, turned to his animal friends. Together, they conjured a clever plan against the imminent destruction. Would they save their home? Watch as our shy hero and his diverse crew of animals rally to guard their forest, taking us on a journey of courage, camaraderie, and conservation. In this enthralling tale, witness how a simple boy becomes the forest guardian.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.